Okay, so we got this situation. If tangents are drawn to the ellipse this, so at this ellipse you have to drop tangent. All points on the ellipse other than 4 vertices. Okay, so you have to drop tangent at every point on the ellipse, but you cannot drop tangent on the 4 vertices. Okay, now you have to observe every tangent. Then the midpoint of the tangents intercepted between coordinate axis lies on. Then you have to figure out the midpoint of all tangents intercepted, means the portion in which it is intercepted by x-axis and y-axis. So you have to tell me the locus of midpoint. Okay, so look at this. First try to observe your equation of curve. So it is x square plus 2y square equals to 2. So let's write down this thing in standard form. So x square by 2 plus y square by 1 equals to 1. So we got our equation of curve. Okay, so you know that it is horizontal ellipse. I'll drop some smaller one. So suppose this is your ellipse. Okay, so at random point we have to draw tangent. Okay, so look at this. Okay, now so how will you draw tangent? First you should know the point. Suppose the point is P. So I'm asking you to imagine a point, so you will imagine it in parametric form. So root 2 cos theta comma sin theta. The change in theta will become it will depend it will change the location of P. Okay, and then you have to drop tangent. So suppose that at this point I have to drop tangent. So how we will respond? T equals to 0. So x1 plus y1 equals to 1. So we guys have dropped tangent. I hope till this part you guys are okay. So done with the tangent. Now look at this. Suppose that this intercepted portion is AB. So I am interested in finding point A. Okay, so you know that point A is on y-axis. So x coordinate will be 0. Correct? So can I say that x is 0 and y will be cosec theta? You can put x as 0 in this equation, you will have value of y. Now I want to find value of coordinate B. So how we will get B? It is point on x-axis, so y will become 0. Correct? So it is root 2. Now let midpoint be Q, H comma K. So can I say that H will be root 2 sec theta plus 0 by 2, K will be 0 plus cosec theta by 2. Okay, now can I say that cos theta will become what? 1 by root 2 H. Can I say that sin theta will become 1 by 2k? Now you guys have introduced h, k and theta, so it is our responsibility to remove them. You know that h will be replaced by x, k will be replaced by y, but what you will do with theta? Can I go with sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1? Cos square theta equals to 1. Now you can replace sin square theta as 1 by 4 k square. Who is k? H. Sorry, k is y. So 1 by 4y square plus 1 by 2x square equals to 1. So the midpoint will lie on this curve. I hope the idea is clear.